Hello, today I show you how to install Microsoft Windows operation system in the virtual machine. I use Oracle Virtuabox. Let's start. Virtuabox is a free software you can download from Virtuabox website. I download and install is version 7.1.4. Okay, now I install operation system. I just show you how to install Windows XP in the Virtuabox. Windows XP is old software, but it's very good. So, name you write down what you want. Then ISO badger, we choose Windows XP. Then here, okay, here to hard disk 50. Finish. Now here automation start. Install Windows XP in the Virtuabox. This was same thing you install Windows XP in the laptop and the PC. Windows XP is old operating system, but it's very powerful if you use Logix 5000 software. Version 20, you have to use the Windows XP. Okay. Okay, now we need to install links the guest animation. Okay. Oh, the computer here. Open here. We find here. Click here. Install. Okay, we install, restart again. So, view the full screen model. Okay, that's it. Now, we go to here, go to setting, share photo, install, collection, desktop, automatic make permit. Next, download. Okay, so in here you can see in here network driver. You can see here. Okay, you can check in here. This is the Windows 7 desktop. Okay, also you can check control panel. We use switch class. This one is easy. So system here Windows XP as SP third version. Okay, that's it. This one just how to install Windows XP in the Virtuabox. So if you install Windows XP in the Virtuabox, you can download some old software in the Windows XP to do something. Okay, thank you very much.